What's going on, guys? Hope you guys doing good. So haven't been doing any videos because I was super busy right now in this moment, but anyways, so I have something special for you, something cool. You might gonna like it. So we have a Challenger up here. My buddy's Mark, he got a new exhaust put it in this sweet car, and I'm gonna show you what it sounds like. So tell what you got in underneath.
Well, I did the mid-muffler delete, which basically cut the X pipe and the mid-mufflers completely off, and then it's straight piped, dual exhaust, true out past the axle.
Yeah.
And then axle back, I put the blast and bobs. They're basically a hollow muffler, so it's legal, but it sounds amazing and it's a lot more horsepower.
All right.
Cut about 70 pounds of scrap metal off the car.
Yeah.
Suitcase exhaust.
So I'm gonna do on mine next year, so stay tuned for that, guys. So let's go for a spin, dude. Let's go.
Junk scrap metal.
Each is like what do you think?
40 pounds.
40 pounds. There you go, there you go. Come on, let's
Girls.
see it. Hell yeah, look at these guns, man. Italian power. So yeah, guys, this is the leftover scrap, all this piping. Heck yeah. So car even lighter now too. That's about what, 90 pounds.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, sounds way better than last time I seen it, this car. Sounds good, my friend.
Thank you, sir.
Let's go. My wife was gonna be like, "Where'd you go? You were supposed to help me clean the house." Hold on, let me buckle up. Yeah, that sounds way different, way better than last time I seen it. Oh, for sure, dude. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Don't hit this lady up here.
Excuse me, church.
Yeah, we could go that way. And then there's that road, straight road there. 20 miles per hour.
Third gear. Jumping in third, damn.
Yeah. Well, with those different tires, it doesn't spin, eh?
Oh, the drag slicks.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is wide. 13 inches wide.
Well, right now this is old ones,
Stock tires.
Oh.
No, it's stock new.
but the new.
Brand new.
Shit.
You record it?
I didn't record that part, so we're gonna have to do it again. Oh shit. Holy shit. That guy probably shit his pants. Oh shit. So yeah, guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, and share. And we out till next time. Mark, definitely really nice sounds. I like it.
Yeah. Thanks for having me over.
Yeah, dude.
Peace out.
Peace out, guys.